In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a ClickUp Workspace 2026. ClickUp brings your tasks, projects, and collaboration together in one place, and sharing a workspace is the key to getting everyone aligned. We'll walk through signing in, opening the right area, sharing it, and choosing the right permissions so your teammates get the access they need without exposing more than you intend. Start by opening your browser and heading to the ClickUp website. Click the Login button in the top right. If you prefer, select Sign in with Google for a quick, secure login, then choose the Google account tied to your ClickUp access. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, select the space or list you want to share. Think of a space like a department or team area. For example, you might open a Kanban board for software development. Make sure you're in the exact list or space that needs sharing, so you apply access in the right place. Now, there are a couple of ways to open sharing. In many views, you'll see a share button or an icon with people at the top of the page. Click that to open the sharing panel. If your layout shows options on the left, you can also click the plus button near the area you're working in and choose sharing and permissions. Either path takes you to the same controls. You can share quickly by copying a link. Click Copy Link to generate a unique URL you can paste into an email or chat. This is fast and convenient, especially when you need to reach several people at once. If you want a more direct invite, type the person's email address into the invite field. If the contact appears, select it. If not, type the full address manually and confirm it's correct. Before you send, decide on permissions. Use the toggle to turn sharing on for that person or group, then set their role based on what they need. Viewer gives read-only access, perfect for stakeholders who just need visibility. Commenter allows them to leave feedback without changing tasks. Full edit grants complete editing rights, best for collaborators who actively manage tasks and statuses. Choose thoughtfully to protect sensitive work while enabling effective collaboration. When you're ready, send the invite. The recipient will receive it directly in their inbox and can jump straight into the shared workspace. If you used a link, share it through your preferred communication channel and remind teammates to sign in to the correct account. And that's it. You've shared your ClickUp workspace, set the right permissions, and opened the door to smooth teamwork. I hope this was clear and helpful. If you found value in this tutorial, consider liking the video and subscribing for more helpful guides. Happy collaborating in ClickUp.